Imagine building a blog that can make money while you sleep. Yes, and doing it in less than 15 minutes with ChatGPT. Today, I will show you step by step how to create a blog you can actually monetize with ads and affiliate links, no coding required. Now, here's the exciting part. This isn't just theory. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate the code for us. Copy into my code editor, and within minutes, we have a live site ready to customize. By the end of this video, you will not only see how simple it is, but you will also understand how you can take the same method and build your own blog today. And if you don't already have access to ChatGPT, I've dropped my special link in the description, so grab it now to follow along. So, for you to build a website with ChatGPT, all you need to do is just to type in, I want to build a blog website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Click enter, then let ChatGPT do all the hard work for us. Then ChatGPT is already coding. Then when it's done, we are going to copy the code, then paste it in VS Code, which is our code editor. So first of all, let me open our code editor called VS Code. So I'm just gonna minimize this first, copy the code, go back to VS Code, then click on Ctrl A, then paste the code right here. Right click and paste the code. So can you see, guys, it has done the work for me. So all I need to do is to click on run without debugging. So can you see the output of the code? This is the home, this is the post, this is the about, and this is the contact menus. So can you see, this is our website. So I'm going to tell it to style the website more. So I want you to style the website more. Enter. Then it will style it more for us. So when it's done coding, I'm gonna copy the code, but it is still coding right now. Can you see, guys? It's still writing the code. So right now, I think it is done. So I'm gonna copy the code, paste it in VS Code, click on Ctrl A, then paste the code right here. Click on paste, then click on run without debugging. And can you see, guys, this is our blog website. This is mind-blowing. This is the website that ChatGPT builds for us. This is it. It also has a toggle menu, which is dark mode and night mode. I see. This is light mode and this is dark mode. This is light mode, this is dark mode. So guys, this is what ChatGPT built for us. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and share it to your friends also. And also, in my coming video, I'm gonna be sharing a special offer for people that want to learn web development. Yes, can you see? ChatGPT wrote this code for us, but not the full part. So in my coming video, I'm gonna be sharing a full course on web development. So guys, if you're happy to watch the video, do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload the video, YouTube will surely notify you. So subscribe. Thanks so much.